Hi neighbors, my name is Hannah. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty Hippie Me. And this morning, I'm gonna show you how to do your makeup, or at least how I do my makeup, in 5 minutes. That's right, I can do my makeup in 5 minutes. So I showered this morning, as you can tell. I did my normal skincare routine on my face. So that means that all that's on my face right now is like I washed my face, I did a serum and my moisturizer, okay? So I'm gonna grab my headband. My hair has decided it wants to just fall in my face all day. Now for me, one of the most important steps is my brows. So I always include that in my makeup routine, even if I'm just doing a quick 5-minute routine like this one. So I'm brushing out my brows, and then I'm using an LA Girl brow pomade, which this is my first pomade I've ever tried, but I really like it. This is in the shade Soft Black. The color works nicely for me. You can certainly use a brow pencil or another tool, but basically I'm just filling in, starting from the ends, to really just give my brows some shape without necessarily making them super artful, because we're in a rush. We're doing this in 5 minutes. We are not trying to be Instagram artists right now. We are just trying to look presentable in a quick, short period of time, okay? That's the goal today. I could spend a lot of time trying to even these brows out because I do have two very different brow shapes, but I'm not really gonna worry too much about that when I'm in a rush. I'm just gonna make sure that they're filled in because eyebrows are our sisters, not twins. It's okay. Use my fingers or maybe like a little triangle sponge to do like a really quick shape if I can fix it quickly. But if it looks like something I really need to like sculpt out of there, I'm just not gonna do it, you know? I'm just gonna move. Next I'm gonna do an eyeshadow stick. This is from Urban Decay. It is in the shade Riveting. I forget the name of this product. Shade stick, shadow stick, something like that. But I like this because it's a pretty neutral color and it goes with just about any look that I'm going for. But most importantly, it goes with my skin tone. I'm not gonna be doing any foundation or concealer with this look. I'm just gonna be putting on the bare necessities. So I think it's helpful to have a neutral color that, you know, adds, like this one does, a little bit of shine, a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of something, but doesn't really draw too much attention to itself. I can wear this with just about whatever outfit I'm wearing because it goes well enough with my skin tone. I'm also gonna get a fluffy brush to blend this out. This is an e.l.f. crease blending brush. I really love this Urban Decay shadow stick. I can put this shadow stick on top of eye primer, concealer, or nothing like I did today, and it's really good at just staying put. After I blend it out, the only place that I might double up a little bit is my more oily area, my crease, just so that during the middle of the day I don't find myself with a naked crease. Upper eyelid, shade, shadow, good to go. Again, we can use a sponge to just kind of clean up the edge if you want to, if you feel like it needs it. Finally, I'm gonna do mascara. I have this NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara, Volume Lift Mascara. I've been trying this for like a week. It's all right. Oh, I need to curl first. If I'm in a really rush, I will not curl. I'll just apply the mascara. But today I have enough time. I think that when you're rushing, what's important is to choose what you can do well and do that, like the things that you know you don't struggle with. And honestly, this is it. This is the look. Some optional steps you can do: a little bit of concealer under the eye if needed, a little lip balm. I use the Aquaphor ointment, but like this is also something I can take and add when I get to work, you know. And this look works because I work in an environment where I have to wear a mask all day. So it basically, honestly, doesn't matter how I look below the eyeballs. So this is my quick little, like, fastest possible makeup routine, getting ready quick in the morning. I just wanted to share it with you guys and also mention Pretty Hippy Christmas starts this Wednesday. I'm really excited. I'm gonna try my best to do a video every day during December. I am not making any promises because we all know how last December went. It was a experience, but I have a lot of fun ideas planned and a lot of fun videos coming, so I hope that you stick around. I hope you're having a great day out there. Happy Makeup Monday, and I will see you on Wednesday for December 1st. Pretty Hippy Christmas. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below. And while you're down there commenting, I do hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and set your notifications to all so you can keep in touch with everything going on here in the neighborhood, especially Pretty Hippy Christmas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you and your time and the fact that you are spending your time here with me. So much love. Bye.